If you're an avid Pokémon GO player, you've probably run into challenges like area-specific Pokémon, bad weather, or location errors that can hinder your gameplay. We've tested the best Pokémon GO spoofers for iOS and Android, considering ease of use, safety, and reliability to keep your account secure. Pokémon GO GPS spoofer on iPhone is actually much easier than on Android, and there are various free Pokémon GO spoofer available. If you want to avoid all the hassle and find the best Pokémon GO spoofer that's easy to use, iAnyGo Location Changer is your ultimate choice. It's safe, simple to operate, doesn't require jailbreaking, and offers a variety of features. It's a popular choice among many Pokémon GO players. Why choose iAnyGo to spoof in Pokémon GO? World's first Bluetooth tech integration for Mac and Windows. iAnyGo is the only spoofer on the market that utilizes Bluetooth hardware, eliminating the risk of bans by avoiding traditional GPS spoofing method. Without ban, and unlike cracked apps such as iPogo and PG Sharp, which often lead to bans, iAnyGo guarantees safety with no risk of account suspension. The joystick feature allows for precise control over your location. You automatically find Pokestops to collect items. Ensures you never run out of Pokeballs, potions, and other essential items. Provides real-time updates for every 30 seconds. Includes measures to minimize the risk of bans, such as realistic movement simulation. Here is how to use iAnyGo for Pokémon GO spoofing without modified app. Download and install iAnyGo on your computer. Launch the program and connect your device to the computer. Then select Game Mode to enable the spoof location to your device. Then connect your Bluetooth from computer to your device. After connected, iAnyGo will open the maps and you are ready to spoof the Pokémon GO to anywhere without jailbreak. Enter address you want to set as your spoofing location and tap Start to modify. Now, Pokémon GO will use this fake location. TenorShare iAnyGo Location Changer provides 5 types of virtual movement to spoof your location of Pokémon GO, such as Teleport Mode, Single Spot Mode, Multi-Spot Mode, and Joystick Mode. GPS Joystick to freely change direction when playing games. It is recommendation for you if you are playing Pokémon GO. Using GPS joystick or keyboard to control GPS movement direction can make it more natural and take better control. Please choose whatever mode you like to spoof location on Pokémon GO with iAnyGo. If you use joystick mode, it will feel more natural and you can change your location and play Pokémon GO without walking. You don't need to be afraid of getting a GPS error or error 12, which often appears in Pokémon GO when using fake GPS, because it has been designed for the Pokémon GO game without bans and without limits. So you don't need to worry about that. You will not face any glitches while using the tool. Moreover, you will not have to wait a lot for it. Just put in the location, and you will be good to go. Works with all location-based apps and is one of the best ways to play Pokémon GO without moving. It's easy to simulate the movement of GPS, and you can also customize the speed and change GPS location anywhere in just one click. TenorShare iAnyGo is a good choice for you. Notably, iAnyGo is a simple and dependable program that allows you to change your location to other places without jailbreak. I really recommend you to use this tool. Easy to use, even beginner can use it. You can check the link download on description. Therefore, some might think that catching Pokémon at home is an impossible task, but it is possible. How to play Pokémon GO without moving. You just need a good tool to mask your location and make the game think that you are moving. And we do recommend TenorShare iAnyGo iPhone Location Changer to help you. Okay, thanks for watching this video and see you next time.